Hi guys. Okay, so this is going to be quick. I just wanted to share what's been going on with me and my weight. I have been gaining weight at a fairly rapid pace over the past year. A year ago, I was 132, and about a month ago, I was 150. So I've gained 18 pounds in the last year. Don't really know why, other than laziness. I'm not pregnant, nothing crazy. I just got lazy. So I decided that I didn't want to be 150 and I needed to do something. So I'm working on things. I'm still kind of lazy. So I don't really like to exercise. I know I need to, I just don't like to. So I thought maybe I can try some type of fad dieting or something to try to lose some of this weight that I've gained. So I was sent something by one of my coworkers that she found on Instagram. It was a 7-day thing, which is good for me because when I try to do long-term things, I don't stick with them. So if I try to do like a 30-day diet, I won't do it. So 7 days was right up my alley. Like, okay, I can do 7 days. So I did this 7-day plan. I don't know if I want to call it a diet, but I guess it's a diet, kind of. And I lost 3 pounds. So I know 3 pounds is not a lot, but it's a start for me. So I'm trying to figure out other things I can do. I probably will end up just having to work out, and that will probably be another video when I start. But this was the start of my journey. I managed to get back down to 146. At my highest, like I said, at my highest, I was 150, but I typically fluctuate between 146 and 148. So when I started this 7-day plan, I was at 146, 146.2, I think to be exact. And when I ended, I was 142. So the plan says for 7 days, the 7-day challenge, no soda. I didn't do any juice either, just because I know there's a lot of sugars in juice. So I only drank water for the 7 days. No bread, which is huge for me because that's all I eat. For breakfast, I have like a BLT with turkey bacon or a bagel with something on it or avocado toast, something. It's a lot of bread. So no bread, no red meat, no alcohol, no pasta, no sweets, citrus fruit daily, which means like grapefruit, oranges, that type of stuff. 6 or more bottles of water daily. I didn't do that. I suck at drinking water, so I did not do the 6 or more bottles of water. I probably did about 5 glasses, which is still a lot for me because I usually drink about 1. But if I do it again, I gotta work on the water. Green vegetables, fish or chicken daily, and a 30-minute workout. I didn't do the 30-minute workout. Again, this goes back to me not liking to work out. So I didn't do that part. The very first day I did because I thought, okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm going for it. And then I didn't. So it was basically just the diet because I didn't really work out. Again, I did on that first day and that was it. Oh, in the spirit of full disclosure, I live in New York City and I don't have a car, so I walk a lot just to get from here to there or to get to the train station or something like that. So I do walk probably more than someone who doesn't live in New York City. But other than that, I didn't do any type of exercise at all. So I just wanted to share that. And yeah, maybe that can help somebody who's in my boat. It was only 3 pounds, but if you keep doing it, I'm sure you'll lose more. And I'm going to continue because I need to get down to maybe 135 or so. So I'll be back on here with some more trials, some more challenges to try to get my weight down. I still have about 9 pounds to go. So yeah, I may try this again or I may do something else. I'm not really sure. If you have suggestions, let me know, because I need to do something. Anyway, that was it. I just wanted to share that, and yeah, so I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.